What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today I'm going to show you how to change the engine air filter on a GMC Yukon. This is a 2015 here, but it will be the same on several different years. And this is only going to apply to vehicles that have the 5.3 liter motor. This is also basically going to be the same on all the full-size GM trucks and SUVs that use the 5.3 motor of this year. So that's going to cover Tahoe, Suburban, Silverado, Sierra, again, any of the full-size GM stuff that has the 5.3 in it. So we have our new filter here. We'll just set that to the side. And there's a couple things we need to loosen up, and I've already went ahead and loosened them just to save time. So we need to get this brace out of the way here. This is a 10 millimeter socket to remove this. I've already got it most of the way out. So once you get that out, just put it out of the way like that. And now there's gonna be 4 screws on the air box that we need to remove. You can either do that with a screwdriver, or this is a 5/16 socket. So there's gonna be 4, one on each corner. We have one here, one here, one here, and one, this one might be a little difficult to see, right here where my finger is. Basically just on all the 4 corners. So once you get those loosened up, you can just pick up on it like this, pull the old one out, grab our new one, get it seated in there properly, and then you'll just put everything back together that we just had. You'll tighten those 4 screws down, and then after you get those 4 screws tightened down, don't forget to move your brace back over, line it up, and then screw that down. So really simple. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.